hi, Daddy. Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
I meant to say hi, YouTube people. My bad. Say hi, Daddy, huh, Alex? Get out there in the rain. Look, he's out in the rain. Do you want Daddy out there with you? Say, Daddy, come on.
No, it's a little bit nipply.
Come on, Daddy.
A little bit nipply.
Nipply. So it's raining. We're out here just hanging out, kicking out, chilling.
Finally, after about a week.
Yeah.
It says 60% chance of rain. Well, it's a 100% chance now.
Yeah, I know, right?
So they can forecast the weather better than the damn forecasters themselves.
Right. It's raining. At least the plants are getting watered. See? At least the plants are getting watered. And Bubby's all walking around. Pole. Move the pole over here. Go on, move it. Go get it. Go move the pole. Move the pole over here. Come on, move it over here. I'll tell you where. No, right here. Right here. Over. There you go. See, it's raining. I think it's gonna get wet. My phone just got wet. Oh my god. No! Don't zoom in. Bad phone. Okay. He's out here in the rain. Such a cute toddler. If I brought Delilah and Cole out here, they'd be playing in the rain too. Rain!
Well, if I had some wet weather gear and still have my gun, I'd go out to the gun range for this year.
No.
Because when it's raining outside, it produces one hell of a badass echo.
Hi, Alex. Yeah, it's just filling up. I'm not getting out in this rain, so like, no. Not happening. See, our truck's getting wet. Yay, truck's getting wet. So is theirs. Haha. Thing's getting wet. It isn't getting heavy yet. I'm trying to wait for it to get heavy so I can show you guys a good video of it getting heavy.
No, it's slowly getting heavy. I was
So-
waiting for the wind to change direction.
So I'll start playing it again when the rain gets heavy, guys.
What do you think of it, Alex?
He's out there in the rain. Stays
Oh, wait
getting
till
funny.
we take more snow.
Oh god, that's gonna be so much fun. You guys are gonna love watching the video of him playing in the snow.
Hey, you've never
Are
played
you done?
snow.
Are you done? You can tell everybody? Hey Alex, you want to say hi everybody? Alex.
Hey, Alex.
Alex, you're supposed to say hi. You're supposed to
Alexander.
walk away.
Say hi, everybody.
Alex,
Ow.
you're so bad.
Hey,
Come here,
say
say
hi,
hi. Alex, look at me and say hi everybody. Say it.
Hi, babe.
Oh, look at that. Now the rain's getting heavier. It's getting me wet. I don't want to get wet. Look at that. The rain's like going down, and you can see that it's raining heavier now.
Go to your bed. Where's our dog
It's little rain.
Look at that. It's raining. He loves it. You can go back out there and play in the rain. Go back there and play in the rain. Go on, go play. Go play. Go play. I'll watch. Go play. Go back inside.
Yeah, the rain's coming up towards the porch. And it's only going to get heavier.
Okay.
So I'm going to go to the man cave.
That's where I'm heading. Go to the man cave.